Hello guys, for today's video we try to see how to trade penny stocks. I understand a lot of you guys have heard a lot about penny stocks and you have watched maybe hundreds of videos about penny stocks, and you see other people speaking about penny stocks, and everywhere maybe you have read books or go to forums, chat rooms, Facebook groups, YouTube, Twitch, and everywhere else. Okay, so a lot of people, they don't understand these penny stocks because of many reasons. Now these reasons are it's because the knowledge they get about them is like dreamy things. It means a lot of people, because they don't have money, they can't start any business in real life, any business. And since they have no money or just very, very little money, they have heard about penny stocks and they think that a lot of people have become millionaires just because they trade these stocks and they don't have money. And this is what is very, very known online. And this is the problem. Okay? Thinking that something is easy just with $100. I have seen someone on YouTube saying that just come with $100, we will make $100,000 in a month. You see that? With these claims, a lot of people get interested to see, oh, this is good, $100 only? And I just begin to trade and they make $100,000 a month. Man, this is good. All we go for it. Okay? If you understand what's going on online, if you just buy a stock, a penny stock, $1, $2, or $5, or $3, if you just buy and sell $5, this is $10. $100, take $10, it's gone. Few trades and this $100 is gone. 1,000 is gone. 2,000 is gone. So, and people, they come with little money and they go to the hardest thing in trading, which is penny stocks. Penny stock is not easy. It's not because the stock is small that the trade will be easy for you and to make a lot of money because you have a little money. Okay, so why people, they put millions of dollars in stock market and they follow stocks? And if it is so easy with penny stocks, everybody will go with this kind of stocks. So these kind of stocks, there are two major kinds of stocks which are called penny stocks. So there are penny stocks that are listed into the three major exchanges, like NASDAQ, New York Exchange, and American Exchange. So three main exchanges. Now, these penny stocks that you find there, okay, they have to file all their financials. It means financial statement, the debt, and everything. It means, what does it mean? It means that any company that it is in the exchange are serious company. It means they give information to the public. You, whenever stock, even if you find a stock or penny stock, it is 1 cent or 5 cents or 50 cents. When you go to the company, you find information, you find what it does, you find earnings, you find the CEO, the executives, you find the major holders, you find a lot of stuff. Okay? So you find a lot of stuff. It means you are sure that these companies exist in real. And this is one thing that I always suggest to my students, is to always trade those kind of stocks that are in exchanges, major exchanges. Don't go elsewhere. Now, if you say to me, oh, there are other kinds of stocks, penny stocks, that they don't belong to exchanges. Now, the first thing you should ask is why? Why these companies, they don't get listed into major exchanges? The problem is that we have a listing requirements. It means in any exchange, you say, okay, you have a company, small company, you want to get listed into NASDAQ or New York Exchange or American Exchange, like an IPO, initial public offering. It means you want to get listed. You should meet certain requirements in terms of earnings, in terms of how big is the company, capitalization, and the other stuff. If you don't meet, they will not let you get listed. This is the major reasons. Okay? Now, there is another reason. There are some companies, they don't want to show off their earnings, their business, how do they do it, where they are. They want to be like anonymous. Okay? So they don't want to go to get listed and to show all the information the company has. Okay? So, but they want some kind of money. That's why what they do is they go to other exchanges that are not the three major exchanges I have told you about. Okay? Now, what are the other exchanges? There are other exchanges that are called over-the-counter exchange, which is sometimes it is just a private broker that have all these companies, okay? And most of these companies, they don't have to show you the information. Okay? They don't have to show you. You find the name of the company, you find a ticker, like a symbol. It is 5 cents or 20 cents, $1 or $10 or whatever it is. And it's your business to check these companies. But you don't find, if most of the time you search and you don't find. So it's very dangerous because you don't know even if this company exists. Okay? And this is a real problem. You don't know if it exists. So, but there are a lot of things happening. A stock that it is 5 cents, it goes to 50 cents, $1, $2, $10. So a lot of people get attracted to this and they want just to make quick money, and they try always to venture to these companies. Understand that if you go to do those companies, you find a stock that it is $1. Tomorrow you can find it with $1. You can say nothing, because this is the market. This is like a black market. It's not the regular market that you know. Okay, it's outside. There are other kinds of penny stocks called pink sheets. Okay, other companies, that are penny stocks. They call it pink sheets because before, in the 20th century, because these companies are so cheap, they put it into a pink sheet, which was at the time the cheapest paper. Okay, so that's why they say pink sheets. And these companies, you know, some are maybe scams. Okay, they are not real companies, but you know, who knows? That's why it is a very, very dangerous market. If you guys, you are going to trade penny stocks, I suggest you don't go to this over-the-counter penny stocks. Okay, you might buy something and you make money, yes, but most of the time, if you lose, you can lose almost all your money. And there are a lot of people who, because of this kind of greed, okay, they put too much money on this, and one day or two they make money sometimes and they are very happy, but one day or two they lose it all. Okay, so when they lose it all, they can say nothing, because even if you want to know what is this company or where is your money, you can't find information. It's not the same as the three major exchanges, where you know this company, you can call the company, you can know what is it. Another thing about this, what we call pink sheets, penny stocks, or the OTC penny stocks, some companies, they are going to bankruptcy. It means they will file, or they are filing for bankruptcy, so they put their stock and they begin to sell heavily to people. So people, you find a stock that was $1, now it is 5 cents. No, you are happy to buy it with 5 cents. They say, okay, it's 5 cents. It can go next time to 20 cents or 50 cents, and you can make a lot of money. But these companies are going to go bankrupt. Understand that bankruptcy, it means the company symbol disappear. It happens even in the in what we call the major exchanges. Yes, it will happen also. But there, you can search when you are doing trading for stocks. You can search if these companies are having real trouble. Okay, and it's not easy, but you should search for this kind of companies. Now, let's go to another thing: how to trade these stocks. Now, these stocks, we have two major kinds of stocks. We have one that penny stocks that are manipulated with a pump and dump scheme. Okay, maybe you have heard about pump and dump scheme penny stocks. Yes, it means you find a company, it is $1, the volume is so low, and then in one day this company from $1 it goes to $5 or $10, and then it comes back at the end of the day very, very quickly to $1 again. So when you see, you find it like a very big spike. This is called pump and dump scheme. It means a lot of scammers, they pump this kind of stock. Okay, they pump it. It means they ask maybe people to buy through a newsletter or through subscription or through whatever things, and where the people they buy, the people are selling and they can make money, and this is what we call a pump and dump scheme. Now, so be careful of this kind of stocks, and these kind of stocks are very, very dangerous. Now, how do you find these stocks? It's very easy. In the morning at 9:30 or 9:35 or 40, you just do a scan with volume, high volume. You will find this kind of stocks, and you can specify under $5 or so, and you just get those kind of penny stocks which are like under $5. This is in general. We say penny stocks under $5. Now, so I say it's very easy to find them. If you are a day trader, you do a volume search, okay? And then you find these stocks, you put them into your portfolio, and then check them one by them and find a way to buy or sell, to buy long or to sell short, whatever you do. Okay, so in order to do so, you should have a very good broker and a direct access to the exchange. It means that you will be so fast. In order to enter or get out from the trade, you should be so fast. Okay? If you have a broker that it is slow, you will lose a lot of money, and sometimes you can just get rid of the stock if you are losing a lot of money. Now, this is the stocks that you can do day trading, because if they are going to continue to go up, you can make a lot of money. And there are some people who specialize in this kind of stocks. In the morning, they do just this. At 9:30, they wake up, they do the search, put the stocks 5 or 6 or 7 or 10, and just follow them very quick and see which one is good to buy. Understand that this needs a lot of quick actions and a good broker, and you should be also very quick, and you should make a plan for each trade. It means I buy here. If I make money, if it goes up, I'll be making money. I can exit at any time. Also, when you buy the stock, it goes down. So you should be quick to have a plan for it. Where to exit, not to stay too much, because these stocks are going fast up and down, and you could lose a lot of money if you stay. So you should have this idea of risk in your mind, and you don't buy until you know the exit. Okay? It's not you buy and then you think where to exit. So this is too late, because this kind of stocks, they are not easy. They are not easy because they go so fast. Now, these are the pump and dump schemes. These are for day trading. If you are a day trader, you like day trading, 9:30, you do the volume search, let's say the volume 1 million volume or 2 million, and you see penny stocks that are going so fast in the morning, 9:30, 9:35, 9:40 minutes, because some stocks move a little bit slower at first. Okay? And then you choose some stocks, and then either you go long or you sell short. Okay? Always when you buy this kind of stocks, you should not buy too much. Because if you buy too much and you lose and you don't know how to exit, you will be in trouble and you will lose a lot of money without. So you should just trade them, and with little money, don't put too much money. Now, this is the first category we have spoken about, which is pump and dump scheme penny stocks. And there is another kind of stocks that for me I sometimes follow when I find good stocks are the penny stocks that move slowly. What does it mean slowly? It means they are not going to be from $1, they go to $2 in a day. No, this is not a stock that you should follow for a trend. There are some stocks that they go 2%, 5%, 10% a day. Okay? Let's say the stock is $1. Today it goes to $1.07. Next day it goes for 4 cents more. The other day 10 cents. If it go down by 2 cents or 3 cents. And then you follow the trend, 1 week, 2 weeks, 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, depending on the trend. And then when you make a lot of money, you double your money or 50%, or you double your money or more. And then when the stock doesn't move anymore, you just sell it. So this is how I follow this kind of stocks. Okay? So I don't go and do day trading. Okay? I don't have the time nor the patience to follow this kind of stocks that go so fast, and you should be a day trader, you should be early in the morning, and you should follow this seriously. So for me, I want a lazy job. A lazy job is to find stocks that move into a trend. That's why I do swing trading a lot. Okay? So I don't want to be rushed or pushed to trade each day. Okay? So thank you very much, guys. This is I have finished this session. So please, guys, if you have questions, you can ask, because I'm trying not to be too long, and now it is 24 minutes. By half an hour I should stop. It means I don't want to do it very, very long, because I do in YouTube mostly of the time 2 hours when we have a lot of questions. But if there is no question, I don't have to continue talking about this lesson. So please, guys, Bassan or the other guy, if you have some questions, please ask. If not, I will be ending this session soon. And thank you, guys, very much for coming for this session. You said I have a comment. Yes, just write the comment, Bassan. I'm waiting for you. You can just write the comment without asking, because I said you can do. So as usual, this kind of stocks Bassan said, it looks like I only find stocks that are wrong in your opinion. No, it is not. You are not wrong. The idea is there are a lot of criteria that you should meet, but you focus on one criteria and you leave 4 or 5 or 6 criteria. For example, in training level 4, I said how to select stocks. I give more criteria for the other criteria that you know. And you focus only on 1 or 2 criteria, and you don't want to see the other criteria. Okay? So that's why I told you in the email that you should go and stretch the chart and see the trend and see where you are, because sometimes you are at the end of the trend. because the search that we do is mechanic. It's not human. It just gives you 2 criteria. It shows you the criteria. But you should look at the chart and find the good stuff. Sometimes in one day, if you want to see all the stocks, it takes you time. So you should begin, for example, at 2:30 or 3 o'clock. You take, for example, 10 minutes, putting 20 or 30 or 40 stocks that you find, and then check all these stocks one by one, apply the rules, apply the criteria, and then you will find 1 or 2 or 3. It depends. Sometimes you find a stock that it is $50, it is good. Okay? Sometimes you find 100, sometimes you find 200, sometimes you find $30, sometimes you find $15. It depends on you and how much you want to buy. Okay? So it doesn't mean, for me, when you said I do stretch all of them, but lately I haven't found anything at the beginning of a trend. You should search more and more and understand there is a probability. Okay? Probability. Let's say even if you find 2 or 4 or 5 or 6 that are excellent, it doesn't mean that those stocks will be the best in the market. Okay? So maybe 1 or 2 or 3 will be good, the other will be. So there is a probability, and this you can check training level 5, how to make stocks from how to make money from stocks. It gives you the idea about the trades between losers and winners. Okay? Now, when you say I don't find, listen, if the search have 100 stocks that day, don't tell me that 100 stocks there is no one stock that it is good and it's not the beginning. Don't tell me that, because there are. But you put a few stocks and you don't want to work that much. You want just to work 5 minutes and then you stop. So this is not how do we work. So if you don't find, you should put more stocks. Okay? You should put more stocks. Let's say if you put 10, you should put 50. If you are going to buy that day. Now, if you put a certain price, let's say you put $10 or $15 or $5, and you don't find, it means there is no. Okay? So you can't just search and find always. You should go bigger and bigger and bigger. If you can buy $50 or $100 or $200, you will find other stocks. And please do the search. Tell me the prices and tell me I don't find, and I will do the search and I will show you. This will be better for you. At least you will see how I search and where you search. Okay? You say I have sent you some examples of industries that are going up, so you can just comment. No, listen, don't send me industries that they go up or go down. I know them. There are hundreds, there are thousands. Okay? Industries, there are thousands in the stock market with their ETFs. If you send it to me, what does it mean you send it to me? What should I do with them? Okay? So it is for you to focus on only few industries that you are going to buy from. You focus. You can't go everywhere in the market because you can't. No one is doing that. For me, for example, I put sectors, I put industries, I put them before. I put them just in the. I have showed you before where I put sectors. I know which sectors. I just took them in 5 minutes, click them each time. I know where the stocks are good. Where are they? If I find them in one industry, okay, and then I go to that industry and I search. But this is manual. If you want to do it, it's manual. But by our search, you will get all the industries stocks in the search that we do. All of them. Because there is no one which is hidden. All will be there. So what I suggest, what? You say today, for example, I spent 6 hours? No man. There is no 6 hours in our search. Listen. 6 hours searching first at FinViz and in the afternoon looking for industry. No. You don't do that. You are just wasting your time, because I think you are not doing the search that we are looking for. So Basan, in order to be practical, did you see the sectors and industries? There are thousands. That's why you waste your time looking at thousands of industries. You can't do that. This is wrong. Try just to check, let's say, one sector with its industries. Okay? If you find an industry that it is good, according to our criteria, go to its stocks only. Don't go to all the stocks, and you will find stocks. But I'm telling you, if you do the search, you don't need to go to industries. I say to you, when you go to industries is when you are going to buy from the bottom. This is where you go for industries. This is called training level 3 and training level 13. So don't mix up the search. You are searching for bottom, and then you are doing from the top. It can't be that. You are mixing the training. Each training, you should focus on something. When you do training level 2, you are focusing on the top. You are not focusing on the bottom. If you do training level 13, you are looking for the bottom, so you should see industries that go down and now they are going up. You will find stocks. Okay? So first, what is the thing that you focus on? Okay? For example, you focus on training level 2. So training level 2, go and search right now. So I will give you a practical thing, not too big. Okay. Go right now. Don't spend 6 hours. No. Spend only 1 minute. Just go now. Do the criteria as I showed you. Do the price that you like, under $50, under $30. Put those stocks into a portfolio. Check one by one right now. And tell me, just give me 3 that are excellent according to you. And then I will do the search with you by myself. And I will send you 3 stocks that I see good. So this will be practical. Now, industries is when you are looking from, it's manual. It takes time. So for me, what I put the industries before only one time. I put them. Okay? And each week I will just check where the industries are and where I want to buy. Okay? And whenever I find an industry that it is good to buy, I go to its stocks and I buy them. Or you can buy the ETF of the industry. If you like the ETFs, because they give you the average, you can do the ETFs. Okay? So don't spend hours. What are you searching in industries? Because there are hundreds and there are thousands of ETFs, sectors ETFs, industry ETFs. There are thousands, and each week, each year, they make more ETFs. So you will be overwhelmed by all the industries in the market. You don't need that. If you just follow Dow Jones, it's better for you because you know there are only 30 stocks. And you know Dow Jones, you follow Dow Jones stocks. Find good stocks in Dow Jones, that's it. You don't need to go everywhere in the market. Because you think that you will miss an industry, or you will miss an ETF, or you will miss a stock. This, you can never do that. Because you don't have billions of dollars to buy all the market what is good. You can't. This is done by mutual funds or like that. Because they have billions of dollars to spend on stocks. You don't have billions of dollars. So just find stocks, few stocks, and each day you will find more. So don't worry. Don't like stress yourself out that you should find today stocks to buy. Opportunities comes each day. So if you don't find good stocks today, leave it for tomorrow. And put according to the price you like. For example, let's say you like under 20. That's it. Stocks that are $20 and less. Each day you do search, each day you find stocks. You don't tell me there is no stocks and that are all bad. No, you will find. But you should just practice. Practice and practice and practice until you have this eye to find stocks easily. Okay? Sometimes you find stocks that are not good because the trend has already, because this stock, it shows in the search each day because this stock is going up. Okay? And we are doing a mechanical search. That's why you find a lot, and you find a lot that are not good because it is mechanical. That's why in training level 4, how to select stocks, you should go to that training and watch all the videos and see other criteria that I'm telling you. Okay? And always stretch the chart to see where the trend is, or is it at the beginning, is it at the end, where it is. Okay? So that's it. What I suggest to you. So you can do the search. You can send me, for example, you say, okay, Kareem, I have done a search today. Just do it right now. Under $20 or under $15 or under $35. But please send me only 3 stocks. I can't do 10 or 20 because I can't do the job many times. Because it needs from me to work a lot. I don't want to work a lot for this. Okay? So just send me 3 stocks that you think they are best. And then I will search by myself. If I find your stocks not good, I will give you the best one that I see and you don't see, although you see them but you don't like them. So because sometimes you see something which is bad, but for me it is good according to the rules, because all we should follow the rules. That's it. Okay, thank you very much, guys. So we have 41 minutes. I think there is no question right now. So please see you tomorrow. we try to see another subject. Since today we have seen penny stocks, we try to see tomorrow something else. Thank you very much, and hope to see you again on YouTube or on Facebook. Thank you very much. Okay, you sent me 3 that you like. Okay, that's good. Thank you very much, and see you tomorrow. Thank you very much.